Hindustan Institute of Technology, Department of Aeronautical Engineering. 22 Ed 101 and Entrepreneurship, IPR and Startups. Topic: Introduction to Entrepreneurship. Presented by Mr. S. Muhammad Miran, P/Arrow. 1. What is an entrepreneur? An individual who undertakes the risk associated with creating, organizing, and owning a business. 2. Personal characteristics of successful entrepreneurs: goal-oriented, independent, self-confident, risk-taker, persistent, creative, responsible, inquisitive. 3. Skills needed by successful entrepreneurs: communication skills, human relations skills, math skills, problem-solving and decision-making skills, technical skills, basic business skills. 4. Entrepreneurship versus entrepreneurs. Entrepreneurship. Entrepreneur. The process of starting and running one's own business. This involves a considerable amount of risk. An entrepreneur is an individual who undertakes the risk associated with creating, organizing, and owning a business. 5. 5 steps of the entrepreneurial process. 1. Discovery. 2. Concept development. 3. Resourcing. 4. Actualization. 5. Harvesting. 6. Step 1. Discovery. The stage in which the entrepreneur generates ideas, recognizes opportunities, and studies the market. Entrepreneurs consider the following: hobbies or skills, consumer needs and wants, conduct surveys and questionnaires, study demographics. 7. Step 2. Concept development. Entrepreneurs prepare the following in this step: develop a business plan, a detailed proposal describing the business idea. Choose location for the business. Is the business online or does it have a physical location for customers to visit to purchase products, services, or combinations? Decide if the idea will need a patent or trademark. Patent, trademark. Step 3. Resourcing. The stage in which the entrepreneur identifies and acquires the financial, human, and capital resources needed for the venture startup, etc. Entrepreneurs contemplate the following: identify potential investors, apply for loans, grants, and financial assistance, hire employees. 9. Step 4. Actualization. The stage in which the entrepreneur operates the business and utilizes resources to achieve its goals/objectives. Entrepreneurs prepare for the following: grand opening of the business, day-to-day operations of the business. 10. Step 5. Harvesting. The stage in which the entrepreneur decides on venture's future growth, development, or demise. Entrepreneurs consider the following: future plans for the business, expansion to additional locations, company to change structure. 11. Starting a business. Understand the procedures and requirements for starting a business. 12. Starting a business. 1. Develop a business plan. 2. Acquire finances. 3. Meet legal requirements. 13. Develop a business plan. A business plan is a detailed proposal that describes a new business. Business plans are presented to potential investors and lenders. Most business plans are 30+ pages. 14. Purposes of a business plan. Business plans are used to obtain financing. Banks and potential lenders require a business plan. Helps organize and analyze data critical to new business. Provides a startup proposal. Provides an outline to follow when starting the business. 15. Components of a business plan. Executive summary. Brief 1 to 2-page description of the key points of each section of the business plan. Product/service plan. Presents product or service being offered. Unique features of the product or service. Management team plan. Qualifications of the entrepreneur. Qualifications of any partners who may be involved in the business venture. 16. Components of a business plan. Industry/market analysis. Analyzes the customers slash competition slash industry slash demographic slash geographic and economic data. Operational plan includes all processes involved in producing and or delivering the product or service to the customer. Organizational plan, management philosophy of the business, key management personnel, key employment policies. 17. Components of a business plan. Marketing plan describes how the business will make its customers aware of its products slash services. The market being served slash marketing strategies slash promotional plan slash marketing budget. Growth plan, presence plan for future expansion of the business. Financial plan includes financial statements that will help forecast the future financial health of the business. Teen. Finance the business. Identify potential investors. Examples: family and friends, other businesses, employees. Contact financial agencies for loans, grants, and financial assistance. Small business administration, banks slash credit unions, insurance companies. 19.